Welcome back, gentlemen. In this episode, we're diving into 5 timeless ways to make a woman think about you non-stop, not through manipulation, but by being the best version of yourself. Let's talk about how to naturally build attraction, leave a lasting impression, and stand out in all the right ways. First and foremost, be a gentleman. Chivalry never goes out of style, and small gestures like opening the door, giving her your jacket when she's cold, or walking her to her car are incredibly impactful. Women remember the little things. For example, on one of our first dates, I gave my date my scarf when she was cold. It's been 3 years and she still mentions it. These thoughtful acts show care and leave a lasting impression. When you're with her, listen and remember the details. If she mentions a favorite book, hobby, or upcoming event, bring it up later in conversation or text. This level of attentiveness sets you apart because it shows you're genuinely present. Don't settle for surface-level conversations. Engage in deeper, meaningful exchanges. A good conversation can make a date unforgettable and leave her thinking about you long after it's over. Having your own life, your passions, hobbies, and purpose is incredibly attractive. A man who knows who he is and has his own priorities is someone worth pursuing. Set healthy boundaries. For instance, if you're busy during the week with work or personal goals, let her know you've made time for her on Friday. This balance of independence and prioritization shows you value her while maintaining your own life. Genuine compliments that focus on personality or character traits rather than just appearance are far more memorable. Compliments like, "I admire your energy," or "I love how passionate you are about photography," stand out because they're unique and thoughtful. If you're sincere and notice something special about her that others overlook, it'll make a lasting impression. Break away from routine and try something new. Shared experiences like taking a cooking class, going paddle boarding, or visiting a spot neither of you has been to create lasting memories and deepen your connection. Spontaneity also plays a role here. If a date is going well, extend it by suggesting something unplanned. This adaptability shows confidence and keeps things exciting. Remember, gentlemen, the goal isn't to manipulate or pretend to be someone you're not. It's about showing up as the best version of yourself, being present and making genuine connections. Until next time, gentlemen.